everyone, my name's Tilly Smith and I'm a model and mental health advocate based in the US and Sydney. While I usually spend most of my time working and travelling, the past few months have been a huge adjustment both mentally and physically. Now I know change is crucial, but it sometimes does come with some discomfort. So I'm going to show you how I keep mentally healthy and productive. Come with me today and let me show you my tips and tricks on how to stay connected. Since we've all had that extra bit of time on our hands, making sure it's utilised in a positive way is really important. Before I wake up to the digital world completely, I like to head out and watch the sunrise. I use my Galaxy Watch Active2 to check my sleep pattern and start my guided morning meditation. There is something so beautiful about rising with the sun. It's my favourite time of the day. Then it's back home to put on some tea while I set up for a yoga flow or a stretch. Starting my morning with movement gives me focus and helps me get alive. I've been using the yoga mode on my Galaxy Watch Active2 to keep track of my exercise and keep me motivated. Now that I've woken up my mind and body, it's time to get into my day's work. I love starting it with a to-do list to help me get my priorities and my goals on track. This helps with my headspace and workload, as well as making sure my priorities and goals are at the front of my mind. I always make time in my day for something creative, whether it's cooking, gardening, shooting content, or painting. Get messy, make mistakes, find joy in inner child activities. For me today, it's painting. I find it so therapeutic getting out my canvas and paints and creating whatever comes to mind. During my work hours, my Galaxy Watch Active2 reminds me to pause what I'm doing and get out and move my body. Get out into nature if you can. Fresh air does wonders. Whether it's a stretch, a run, or even out to get a coffee, sparking your endorphins is the key to a positive mindset. I track my progress and set myself goals on the exercise feature of the Galaxy Watch Active2. This helps me stay inspired and keeps me accountable for my daily movement. You can also link your Spotify account to listen to a favourite podcast or playlist. Whatever it is that makes you feel fulfilled and brings you joy, do much more of that. For me, that's meditation, staying active, keeping productive, and getting creative. Mental health impacts the way we learn, the way we deal with stress, and how we create. Value yours the way you do your loved ones. We all need to be making small, consistent changes and creating healthy habits to make this time progressive. Thank you so much for watching my Samsung session episode, and I hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks on staying connected. Stay apart, stay together.